eating palatable prasad also is detrimental. Like prasad shouldn't be taken for our sense gratification. Prasad should be taken with an attitude of serving Krishna. Krishna baro doyamoy, karibarey jihva, swa-prasad-anna, dilo, bhai. Krishna is very kind and merciful. In order to conquer our tongue, Krishna has given us Krishna. So yes, we can take Krishna prasad, even if it is palatable, we should take Krishna prasad. Because prasad will have its effect. But as we make advancement, it will happen. We'll taste Krishna prasad not for the sake of relishing not for the sake of gratifying our tongue and belly, but for the sake of honoring Krishna's mercy. Krishna so mercifully have given it. We need it. We need food to maintain our body. And Krishna has given us the food. So with that consciousness, prasad has to be taken. And when we take prasad, we should not try to relish it with our tongue as such, but we should meditate on how Krishna has tasted this prasad. Not how I am tasting the prasad, but how Krishna has tasted the prasad. So this is how Krishna consciousness is all positive. And the result is absolutely wonderful. Foolproof. This process is not going to fail under any circumstances if you practice it.